Welcome back. In this lesson, we'll dive into advanced nutrition hacks and the latest trends in meal planning, strategies to help you take your nutrition to the next level while staying smart and sustainable. Once you've built a solid foundation, it's time to optimize your plan for performance, recovery, and longevity. Step 1. Focus on nutrient timing. When you eat can be just as important as what you eat. Try front-loading your calories earlier in the day when your metabolism and energy demands are higher. Eating balanced meals before and after workouts can also improve recovery and muscle growth. Step 2. Use intermittent fasting wisely. Many people find success with approaches like the 16-8 method, fasting for 16 hours and eating within an 8-hour window. It can support fat loss and improve insulin sensitivity, but it's not for everyone, so always listen to your body and choose what fits your lifestyle. Step 3. Explore carb cycling. This involves alternating between higher carb and lower carb days based on activity levels. It helps replenish glycogen stores, support muscle growth, and prevent metabolic slowdown. Step 4. Include anti-inflammatory foods daily. Chronic inflammation can slow recovery and affect long-term health. Add foods like turmeric, fatty fish, berries, leafy greens, and olive oil to your plan. Step 5. Optimize your gut health. A healthy gut supports digestion, immunity, and even mood. Include probiotic-rich foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, or kimchi, and prebiotic foods like garlic, onions, and oats. Step 6. Track your micronutrients. While macros get most of the attention, vitamins and minerals drive metabolism and energy. Apps or blood tests can help identify deficiencies, so you can adjust your meals accordingly. Step 7. Consider mindful supplementation. Supplements can fill gaps, not replace real food. Popular research-backed options include vitamin D, omega-3s, magnesium, and creatine. Always consult a professional before adding anything new. Step 8. Explore the benefits of plant diversity. Eating 20 to 30 different plant foods per week helps improve gut microbiome health and nutrient absorption. Try mixing up your grains, fruits, vegetables, and herbs. Step 9. Pay attention to hydration beyond water. Electrolytes like sodium, potassium, and magnesium are key for muscle function and energy. Add a pinch of sea salt or electrolyte powder to your water if you're training hard or sweating often. Step 10. Experiment with meal timing around sleep. Avoid heavy meals right before bed. Instead, opt for light, balanced options like Greek yogurt or a small protein smoothie to support recovery overnight. Step 11. Test your blood sugar response. Everyone's metabolism is unique. Some people handle carbs better in the morning, others later in the day. Keeping a food log or using a continuous glucose monitor can provide powerful insights. Step 12. Try micro-prepping. Instead of cooking everything for the week, prep base ingredients like proteins, grains, and veggies, and mix them into new combinations daily. It keeps your meals fresh and exciting. Step 13. Explore functional foods. These are foods that support specific health benefits like matcha for energy, chia seeds for omega-3s, and mushrooms for immunity. Incorporate a few into your rotation. Step 14. Watch for nutrition trends with caution. Keto, paleo, plant-based, and other diets can all work if they align with your body and goals. The best trend is the one you can sustain long-term. Step 15. Personalize everything. Advanced nutrition isn't about copying someone else's plan. It's about finding what works for you. Use experimentation, tracking, and reflection to build your unique blueprint for success. Here's your quick recap. Focus on nutrient timing, inflammation control, gut health, hydration, and personalization. Trends come and go, but your awareness and consistency will always deliver results. In our final lesson, we'll tie everything together with a complete system for sustainable, lifelong meal planning. Let's elevate your nutrition to its full potential.